Got Lola with some purple bubbles. Might be kind of hard to see, but...
One is on you.
Yep, leaves little purple dots.
One just popped in her hair.
Oh, wow, it did just pop in her hair. Outdoor use only. Hey, don't touch it. We'll get it with a towel. Just leave it there for a second. They're blowing back at us now.
I think one was getting mad at me.
Pretty cool.
Yeah, don't let them pop on you. The hair of them are pretty messy. Lola, blow it. Don't. Silly girl. Now you got a big mess in front of you.
Get off. Get off. You better get off.
Pretty cool. Pretty messy.